Hello people, welcome to Moto Universe. The German Shepherd is a dog that is very popular in the police service. He's very smart and the policemen easily teach him to detect drugs or to protect them during protests. The dog rarely barks without a reason. When police officers see this kind of dog behavior, they know something is wrong. Let's see.
That's the sound of the police! That's the sound of the beast!
How you doing, sir? Doing motor
Oh,
enforcement today?
yeah,
Do you have registration?
of course, I have everything, sir. Can I? I have everything, sir.
Okay. Do you have driver's license?
Yeah. Can I drop the bike over here? Can I?
Yeah, you can just show me your license. Alright, so please drive safe, okay? Is all right?
Yeah. I'm sorry about that. I will. I'm sorry.
A motorcycle is very interesting vehicle. It always asks you to ride it a little faster. Since bikers often cannot resist driving fast, they often have problems with the police because of this. Let's see.
I respect the law. I respect you guys.
This guy is trying to do U-turn at intersection. Although this action is very simple, sometimes it does not end as we expected. Let's see.
Diesel, $4.99. That's the minimum. That is the lowest I've seen it. What's up? What are you mad about? Suck my dick. Right here. Right here. Right here, man. You're mad because I was in your way? The light was green. You're mad about that? Dude, I didn't do nothing. Oh, you don't? Like I didn't have time?
com pressa, moça?
Bateu?
Bati a perna aqui só. Olha o teu espelho aí, ó.
Pois é, já era assim. Tudo bem, como é que tu tá?
Ah, eu tô bem. Só não sei, deixa eu ver se alguma coisa aconteceu aqui.
The bikers are upset because they can't pass the bus. One of them is very angry and he is hitting the vehicle. Although bus drivers are great professionals, they should be immune to road rage. Let's see.
Meu Deus.
The biker filming this show his good qualities that many people lack today. Seeing the street fight without thinking about his safety, he very bravely joins the crowd trying to stop the fight. Such qualities are rarely seen today. Let's see.
Oh, 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 oh. Para, mano, para, não, irmão,
O que ele quer?
Calma, irmão, não é assim não.
O que você quer?
É assim não, ô, jogador, pô, nós estamos separando, não bate não. Não, para com isso, irmão, para com isso. Para aqui pra mim, para com isso, porra. Não é assim não, olha pra mim, olha pra mim. Para com isso, beleza? Calma, o bagulho vai ser desembolado na real, pera aí. Calma, na moral, você calma. Fica de boa, respira. Faz isso não, porra, Calma, pô, fica tranquilo.
Ninguém vai levar nada.
Fica tranquilo.
Obrigado.
Fica tranquilo. Tá tranquilo? Tranquilo? Não, o que houve?
Passageiro que obrigado, gente. Aproveitar. Eu não vou
Isso acontece. Resolvido então? Tá resolvido ou vai chamar?
Não, desculpa não.
Não, tá resolvido? Então...
Tá resolvido.
Aí, resolveu, é isso mesmo. Tá resolvido. Tranquilidade, vai lá, pô, vai lá.